Hello everyone and welcome back to Pabbly. Imagine you add a fashion code in your Google Sheets and automatically in front of you related to the code, a video is created and added back. Let me show you how. In front of you, I am adding this code, creating timeless looks with soft aesthetics and effortless fashion inspiration. And in front of you itself, you saw that a video link is appeared out of nowhere. If I will open this link, you will see the same video with the same caption is added. Create timeless look with soft aesthetics and effortless fashion inspiration. A video is created and added back in Google Sheets. So if you want to learn how you can, just by adding a text in your Google Sheets, create a video of it as well, then stay tuned till the end of this video. If you want the free template of this workflow that we are creating in this video, you have to comment down below and I will share you the template. Now without wasting any time, let's create this automation without need of any coding, technical and programming skills using the software Pabbly Connect. I've been using Pabbly Connect for years now to create such amazing automations. I have created 1000+ automations using Pabbly Connect without facing any of the errors or issues. Now, if you're a new user, you do not have an account with us, search for pabbly.com/connect first, then sign up for free from here. As you're logging in for the first time, you will receive 100 free tasks every single month. Using the 100 free tasks right away, you can create this setup. And you can create this setup, test it out from your end. And if you want to purchase a yearly or lifetime plan to create such amazing automations and automate your business or personal workflows as well using Pabbly Connect, you can use the code that's on the left side of my screen to get instant and amazing discounts. What are you waiting for? Purchase a yearly or lifetime deal and automate your business workflows. So I've already logged into my Pabbly Connect account and I'm on the dashboard. Now to create a new workflow, go towards this Create Workflow option and select the option of Create using Quick Builder from here. Now I have used this section. Now I have selected this option of Workflow Builder because this is a newly launched feature. Just by adding a simple prompt, AI is going to analyze your request and automatically generate the entire workflow for you. My request is create an automation workflow that every new text in Google Sheets automatically sends the data to Creatomate to generate a video render, and then generated video link is updated back in Google Sheets automatically. So this is my use case. I've forwarded this use case towards this AI Flow Builder. Now I have to select the events and the workflow will be created. In my Google Sheets, as soon as a new data is added, automatically using Creatomate, a video render is created and automatically the spreadsheet cell value will be updated with the video link. So this is my workflow. I will approve, create and open the workflow from here. The template will be in front of you. If you want this template, check out the workflow link in the description section. Now the template is created, simply build the connections and your work will be done. Let me show you how you can create the connections. In the first trigger of Google Sheets near updated spreadsheet row, you will find a webhook URL which you need to copy and open the spreadsheet that you want to connect to Pabbly Connect. From the panel, go to extensions, add-ons and get add-ons option and you will come to this window right over here, where on the search apps bar right here, search for Pabbly Connect webhooks and install this application in Google Sheets. After installing, go back and refresh the spreadsheet once from here. After refreshing the spreadsheet, in extensions, you will see the option of Pabbly Connect webhooks, from which go to this initial setup option, and the dialog box of initial setup is then going to appear in front of you, which is asking for the webhook URL first, where paste the webhook URL that Pabbly Connect has provided us. And for the trigger column, it says the trigger column will be your final data column on which of the data is added. The whole of that raw data will be sent to the webhook URL. In this spreadsheet, my trigger column is column A because as soon as I will write the text, I want this text should be forwarded towards Pabbly Connect. So I will select my trigger column as column A and click on this submit button. As soon as I've done that, you can see right over here, I have received this response of setup configured successfully. Now go back, one last step is left, that is go back to extensions and Pabbly Connect webhooks and click on the send on event option. Using this, whenever you will add in the new text over here in the Google Sheets, Pabbly Connect is instantly going to share that new text with the help of send on event. You can see it's activated. Now as you can see right over here, the connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect is done. Go to trigger and click on this recapture button response. It says waiting for webhook response. So now to check whether Google Sheets is successfully connected to Pabbly Connect or not, I will add in another fashion related code right over here because I have a fashion business, and then we'll check whether automatically my trigger captures the response of that new text been added or not. Okay, so let me add in the new text. My new text is dressing simple but making every look feel elegant, classy and unforgettable. So as now the caption is added in the trigger, within few seconds in front of you, you will see I will receive a response where I've received the same caption. Dressing simple but making everything look feel elegant, classy and unforgettable. Okay, so now as the response has been captured in the trigger, Google Sheets is connected to Pabbly Connect. Our trigger setup is done. Now with the help of this caption and using Create-O-Mate template, let's generate a new video. Now I have created this template using Create-O-Mate. You can see right over here in front of you. Now this is how the final video is going to look like. The text is going to be here in the middle and this will be the background of the video. You can also create a template just like this in Create-O-Mate according to your requirement. Now my business is related to fashion, so that is why I've created a template like this. So using this template, now let's create a new video, a single render. Click on this connect button. To create the connection, you need to provide the API token. For that, you have to open the template that you have created. Go towards this use template section. Go to API integrations, and now in the API integrations, copy this node to clipboard. Open your notepad over here from your computer. I will search for notepad and open it. Now after opening the notepad, you have to add in a new page. Now we have paste down this code that was copied. In this authorization barrier, this is the token that Pabbly Connect is asking for. Copy this token from here and paste it down in this token field and click on the save button. As soon as I'm going to do that, you will see the connection between Create-O-Mate and Pabbly Connect is created. I have created this template in the name of storytelling video. So I'm going to go back and select this template from the drop down. If you require any other field, you can add in the details. I have already created the template according to me, so I will skip all the details. Next is modifications. What do I need to modify in the template is just the text that I have written right here. Now we have to enter the data in the modifications field in this example format. So I'm going to copy this example, paste it down in the field. Now we have to enter the key first. How can we know the key of this text in this specific template? For that, go to use template again and API integration. These are the keys. Now over here for the text, this is the key name. So I'm going to copy this key name from here and paste it down in this modifications key one value field. So I will paste it right here. Now over here in this text, I want to replace this with the caption that was captured in Google Sheets step. So for the value field, I will map the data, add a slash, previous step is going to appear and search for the caption. Now as I want to add this text in place of this text right over here that is in this template, we are going to select the data of the caption from the previous response. I'll search again and select the data. Now this makes this data mapped and dynamic. That means now whenever a new text response will be captured in the previous step, automatically the new data will be updated in place of this mapped data, and according to it the video will be generated. Click on the save and send test request button and you will see automatically a video URL is right here. If I'm going to copy this URL and open it on a new tab, you will see a new video is generated successfully with the same caption, dressing simple, making everything look feel elegant, classy and unforgettable. Okay, so now as this video is generated, let's update back this video link in our Google Sheets. Click on this connect button and go towards this add new connection section. Click on the sign in with Google button. Now over here it is asking for us to select an account that I want to connect to Pabbly Connect. So I will select this account from here, and then it is asking for the permission for the account, for which I'm going to click on this allow button, as this is a safe process and my data is completely safe with Pabbly Connect. First we have to select the spreadsheet that I want to update. I've created one in the name of create videos and sheet in the name of sheet 1. So I'll go back and select the details from here. Now we have to enter the range in the column name and row index format. So what is the column that I want to update is column B. I want to update this column. So I will write over here column B. Add a slash and map the date of the row index that you have received in the previous step. So this is how you enter the range that you want to update. For the value, I will map the date of the URL that I've received in the Create-O-Mate step and click on the save and send test request button. I've received this response, and in Google Sheets you will see the same video link is updated successfully. It's the same video that is generated. You can see right over here with Create-O-Mate with the same caption. So in this manner, the Google Sheets will be updated with the video link as well. So you will find the video link in the same space. Enter the text, you will find the link automatically. Okay. So as now we have successfully created the video and added back the link successfully in Google Sheets, this means this entire creation has now been done. Now whenever a new video text will be added in Google Sheets, according to the text, automatically a video will be generated through Create-O-Mate, and we are going to add back the video link in our Google Sheets for systematic record. So this is how you automatically create videos with the help of Google Sheets. Now if you have any questions or doubts related to the setup, do comment down below. I will reply to you as soon as possible. The free template is in the description section. You can go ahead and use it. With that, if you want to purchase our plans, it's on the left side of my screen, the code, as well as the code is in the description section as well. So this was it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just this connection, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you want to know about the different plans that Pabbly Connect provides you, you can check out the link given over here. And if you have any queries related to it, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and thank you so much for watching.